Hey buddy, today in this video we'll be making air fryer garlic cumin chicken thighs. Let's begin. We're going to add some seasoning first. We're going to add some salt, some garlic powder, some cumin powder, and lastly, some ground black pepper. There we go. We're going to turn it around and do the same thing. Some salt, some garlic powder, some cumin powder, and some black pepper. Try to use up some of the seasoning on the cutting board. There we go. We used up all the seasoning. Next, I'm going to change out the gloves. This is what it looks like before we put it in, and now let's preheat the air fryer. We're going to push the preheat button, and we're going to preheat it to 390 degrees. And we'll be back. Okay, it's preheated to 390 degrees. Let's put in the chicken thighs. We're going to put the skin side down first. It says skin side down. Make sure they're spread out. There we go. And now let's put it in. We're going to turn it to 390 degrees for a total time of 30 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been 15 minutes so far. We're at the halfway point. Let's flip them over. Looking great. Let's flip it over, skin side up. There we go. Make sure they're nicely spaced out. And now let's put it back in for the last 15 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been a total time of 30 minutes at 390 degrees. Let's take them out. Looking great. Gonna take them out. Okay, this is what we have today, air fryer garlic cumin chicken thighs. I hope you enjoy this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Here. Have a bite, and thanks for watching.